Black Ops 2 is back? They brought it back? The world is healing. What the? I was in that lobby. Why are you claiming that, bro? What the? Hold up. Why am I not even surprised? The two motherfuckers talking shit on the bottom of the leaderboard.
What the fuck did DJs actually do?
Leave this poor girl alone. She's crying. She had a tear coming out her eye, and y'all remixed her? 7-Eleven chicken wings are not real.
I don't care if this is squirrel meat.
What?
Skunk.
Skunk? It cannot be that good, bro. Look at your face. On God. Oh. Bro, we created the SpongeBob meme.
Who do you think would win in a 3-point contest? Steph Curry or Sabrina?
Oh, absolutely Sabrina. I mean, come on.
Are y'all forgetting? Are y'all forgetting who Steph Curry is? Best shooter ever? Babyface assassin? What? Oh God! Like what the? People just forgot. What Steph got going on? Steph! Bro said who's Sabrina? Oh my God! This motherfucker think he Indiana Jones. Boy got a blast from the past. Why is this funny? What I see in the corner of my room at 3 a.m.
You're not a cheater. You fucking asshole.
Oh my God!
I'm sending this to your mom. Please.
Why do kids never keep that same energy, bro?
Berlin passed a law to allow women to go topless in public swimming pools.
Hey, now that is a government I can get behind. You know what you gotta do. Straight to the airport, bro. Hey, you gotta keep us updated. You gotta keep us updated. Let me know.
Honestly, bro, I should have known better. Like, who cops a guard dog on Facebook Marketplace? Look at him. He's not guarding shit.
You did not have to change your voice like that, bro. Leave that dog alone. Oh. Look how the manager looking. That motherfucker fired. What the hell? They gotta dance to this shit?
Even if my name was Natalie Nunny, bitches still couldn't change that.
Oh, that clap was clean. I don't give a fuck.
Even if my name was Natalie Nunny, bitches still couldn't change that.
No actor has a perfect resume? What? One is about death, sacrifice, and what people will do for survival. The other is Oppenheimer.
I think you guys understand that this is your last time standing in this room together. So when we're out there, I want
this is my son's 6th birthday party.
So a whole lot more than just.
Is bro giving a war speech? God bless our troops. There is just one thing missing from this video.
What the fuck did you just say?
Just wait.
Yeah, I want it louder though. Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
That's right.
I didn't see the police car.
Oh, police are coming after him.
Bro needs to be arrested for these shots he's putting up.
It is haunting video of an 18-year-old making his first parachute jump while his mother watched. His chute never opened.
He must ain't thank the bus driver.
You can't say stuff like that. R.I.P. on Unc's behalf.
$40 million.
I hope they tip the bus driver.
Bro draw fatal fields.
Thinking about going camping this weekend? Sorry, it's now racist.
What? So is it like just this weekend or?
Damn, get out your nose, homeboy.
You said what?
Get out your nose.
Shut your black ass up. Go fight for Wakanda.
How are motherfuckers so quick with the clapbacks? He was not letting that shit slide.
I can't breathe, Dad. What the hell is this, honey? Is that your new tub?
Me when I step into something wet while wearing socks. Shut the fuck. Yo, y'all are terrible humans. Y'all are terrible. That one activist kid at your school.
All right, class. Today we'll be talking about Martin Luther King Jr.
Yes, Martin Luther freaking King Jr. Heck yeah.
Get up, that's your homie. What do you mean get up? I don't know him. What do you mean
Represent for your gang, twin.
What do you mean gang?
Gang is crazy. Twins?
That's literally your leader. What the
Leader!
We're not twins, bro. I don't know. Sit down. How about you sit down and shut the fuck up?
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Did Martin Luther King shut the fuck up when he had a dream?
Nope.
Did he shut the fuck up? Did he shut the fuck up when he freed the slaves?
What? Bro, he didn't free the slaves. That was Abe Lincoln.
He didn't free the slaves.
Yes, that wasn't him.
If he didn't free the slaves, then how are you in my classroom right now? Whoa. That's it. Me and Tyrese, the greatest.
No, my name is
Adam? What do you mean? Where did Tyrese? Me and this guy are doing a BLM walkout right now. If you're not racist behind me, what do you mean?
What the fuck?
Oh, you're sexy.
Appreciate that.
You're bugging.
Shit, what the yo? What's she talking for, bro? Look at her. Let me chill. You don't gotta put her in the edit, bro. Always the pickup trucks. Franklin the turtle. Oh.
I'm coming.
And the little girl screams in the back. Do not help, bro.
Your little cousins be bad in school, get kicked off the bus. Then what the fuck happens? You put your ass in the trash can. They don't know how to act.
Bro got an ass whooping? Why was there a moan?
Bro, there's a spider on you.
Really?
Yes.
Stop. Oh, bro, I thought he was pepper spraying the baby. The flamethrower edit grader. Nah.
Hey, I'm gonna do it for my nigga I just met right here, y'all. My mind's telling me no, but that crack, y'all.
The crack?
Keeps telling me yeah.
Do not pull off, bro. You Blood should not be behind the wheel.
This ain't no real person. This is not a real human. This is an artificial intelligent robot. And y'all done blew her jaws and her neck up.
Yo, why is she just sitting there taking it? Oh, I feel bad. He pretty much just called her Baymax. My phone glitched and I lost my game. My phone glitched and now I can't open apps? Who the fuck is this guy? What the? He just wanted to say Megatron. He didn't deserve this. His phone glitched. I don't. What the? What is? What are they talking?
Shut up, Megatron.
Whoa! His phone. He did really. Okay.
A hidden talent or something that we don't know about?
I didn't know Rice still did these lives. I thought he had a girl.
No, so we're just asking if you have like a hidden talent or something.
Did he start malfunctioning? What was that?
Does the Ice Spice count?
Yeah. So we're down to see it. Like a hidden
Yo!
talent.
Who cut it up, bro? OMG, this is such Gyat Riz Kaisenat Sturdy, Ohio. What? Why does it look like he about to take off? Yo, chill. Alright, man. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll catch y'all motherfuckers later. See you.